Podium is where you get breaking news because everyone wants to talk to us. If you hear it on Podium, ask no further.
Don't forget to join us every midday from Monday to Friday as we ask the hard questions that you otherwise would have asked to the newsmakers, the movers and shakers of events.
Don't miss the opportunity to be part of Sierra Leone's topmost midday show, The Podium, where the agenda is set for others to follow. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Goodbye.
Life no go ever sweet without
that thing what we call love. Now that make
no fact na a very good program where any big person can look and enjoy.
Now the kind program we for spend time for watch. Now the kind program we for spend time for sit down for look.
And this program it may around land format and I wonder you say land.
The Love Factor show is about family, love, counseling,
relationship. We say we dey build and maintain relationship. This na program. We say we dey counsel you, for let you know how for dey with your partner, let you know how for